Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
In the left corner, we have the 70mm Dashcam M300, and in the right corner, we have the E-YEEGER Dashcam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera.
It's going to be a battle of the dash cams. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive resolutions. The 70mm Dashcam M300 records in 2304 by 1296 PHD, while the E-YEEGER Dashcam takes it up a notch with 2.5K 1440p resolution.
That's 70% more pixels than the standard 1080p. So if you're a stickler for crystal clear footage, the E-YEEGER Dashcam takes the win in this category.
Now let's talk about the field of view.
The 70mm Dashcam M300 boasts a wide-angle FOV of 140 degrees, which means it can capture more lanes with fewer blind spots. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dashcam offers a slightly wider front angle of 160 degrees, giving you even more coverage on the road.
So if you want to make sure nothing escapes your camera's sight, the E-YEEGER Dashcam wins this round. Driving at night can be challenging, but both cameras have got you covered. The 70mm Dashcam M300 features 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in low-light conditions. The E-YEEGER Dashcam, however, takes it a step further with its f1.8 large aperture and super night vision technology.
It increases light intake by 30%, guaranteeing sharp footage in the darkest of nights.
So for those late-night drives, the E-YEEGER Dashcam is the clear winner.
Now let's talk about the extra features that set these dashcams apart.
The 70mm Dashcam M300 comes with built-in parking monitoring and a G-sensor, which detects sudden shakes or collisions and starts recording automatically.
However, it's important to note that the parking surveillance mode requires the 70mm hardwire kit, which is sold separately.
On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dashcam also offers parking mode, but it comes with the added benefit of time-lapse recording. It compresses hours of footage into minutes, making it easier to review crucial events quickly. However, just like the 70mm Dashcam, the E-YEEGER Dashcam also requires the separate purchase of the hardwire kit for parking surveillance. So in terms of additional features, it's a tie between these two dashcams. Both the 70mm Dashcam M300 and the E-YEEGER Dashcam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera had their strengths and weaknesses.
If you prioritize video quality in a wider field of view, the E-YEEGER Dashcam is the way to go. But if you're looking for reliable night vision and additional features like parking mode, both cameras are solid choices.
Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons.
Let us know in the comments below which products you'd like us to compare next. Stay smart and happy shopping!